So let's save first. Let's save file. So now we have done. So as I said, we need to configure the package that we have here. So this one that we have installed. So here they use the require. So let's copy this line from here and paste it here. And we need to change. So here from var, so we need to use import. And here from require, so we need to use from. And let's remove the parentheses. And also here the parentheses. Okay. And next, what we need to do something else. So let's move down here. So they are using, so as you can see here, they are using the register local. So we can use, so the package supports French and English. So for us, we will use the English. Okay, so let's copy from here and also paste here. Okay. And here, so we need also to import this part. So let's remove the require from here and use instead import. And we can call it en local, which means English local. And we can use from, and here we paste. And as we have done, so instead of using require, let's use only the from, and now we have en local, so we can use it here. Okay, so let's copy, so not this, so let's remove the extra one and use only one. Okay, so now we have imported countries and also the length, which is English, and we registered local. So here we are telling the package that we will use English. Okay, so that's the meaning of this code. So now we need, as I told you, so once the user type here the name of the country, so as I told you, we need to get so we need to get alpha code, so to use it here for this package, so to display the country flag. Okay. And to do that, as I told you, we have here, so we have here an example. So here, country to code. Okay, so we can use this one to get the code of the country. And to do that, let's first add here a function. Let's call it set the country code. Or alpha code, okay. So this function, let's first define it. So set country, so the same thing, set country alpha code, and what else we need? So here we will have the event, and event will contain the name of the country. Okay, so now what we will do, so we use the country that we have here, imported, and as I told you, we get alpha 2 code for the country that the user has typed, and we can get the country using the e.target.value, and we tell the package that we are getting name in English. Okay, and what we need now, so we need to give form dot country code, so we need to give it the country or the alpha code that we have here. Okay, and this function, when we will use it, so when user, so let's move, where is the country? So here the phone, the job title, company, and here the country. So here we need to add an event at change, so we set the country flag. Okay, so now we are done. So let's refresh the page. So let's try to add another contact, but when we add this contact, so we will not view the flag yet, we will add later. So we need to use this package to display the flag. Okay, so this one only we get and we store the alpha code inside our database. Okay, so let's try to add another contact, so maria email.com, and here let's add same phone, same job, same company and country, and submit. So let's see now, the Maria has been added to our contacts. So let's check here, let's check the network. So here we have add. So for now we don't have anything. Let's check here. So here it's the final one, which is the Maria. So as you can see, here is the country code, so it's ES. So using this package, let's move down. So we got the alpha code of the country, which is ES. So if you find here ES, so here we don't have ES. So I think we have ES. Where is ES for Spain? Okay, so you will find it here. So using this now using this alpha code, we can display the flag of the country. And to display the flag of the country, so we need to use this package. So let's copy. So we need to use only one span. Let's copy it from here and let's move to the contact list item. So here we display the country flag. So let's add the span and give it so the same span that we have copied, so we don't need to write it again, but we have something. So let's keep it as it is and save and take a look here. So as you can see, we have the Greece, which is the flag of the country that we have here, which is the alpha code, as we said, which is GR. So we need now to use, as I told you, the user country code. Okay, so to do that, let's so instead of adding the class, so let's bind class, and we can add here the backticks. So we can use it as a variable. So here let's copy and move everything inside, and here we need to use the contact dot country code. And since the field is since the field has a default value which is null, so we need to check first if we have value. So if yes, then we need to get it. If no, so we will display an empty string. And we have something else. So here, as you can see, so the country code is uppercase. So we have ES uppercase, so we need to make it lowercase to use it with the package that we have installed. And to do that, let's call to lowercase. Okay, and save. So let's take a look and see what we have here. So as you can see, we have here Spain and we have here USA. So let's try to add a new one. So I have added this one just recently. I was testing and I added this contact. So let's try to add another one, for example, dark. And let's add same phone number. Let's add here singer, dark man. And let's add country, for example, Japan. Submit. And let's move to the last page. And as you can see, we have here dark man with the Japan flag. Okay, so now we have done with adding contacts with flags. So as you can see, we can generate and display flags. And as you can see here, we have the country code for the US, and also for Japan you have here GP. Okay, so now we are done with the adding contacts. Next we need to move to the update and the delete. Okay, so let's start with updates and later we will move to the delete.